don't be modest. Show what you got and what you like. I have some tips and tricks for you. I'm Katharina Mayer, one of Bavaria's ambassadors. Tracht in Bavaria is very individual and diverse. It's influenced by the fashion and also depends on the region. The men usually wear a Lederhosen, a Trachtenanzug, or sometimes a Stresemannhose with suspenders. And the ladies, they wear normally a dirndl or a bodice with a skirt. You can wear Lederhosen with a wide variety of straps, a small hunting knife, or a charivari for jewelry. And the Haferlschuhe complete the outfit. One more thing, where do you tie your bow? Traditionally, every placement has a meaning. For the singles out there, you wear it on the left side of your dirndl. The taken and married ones wear the bow on the right. And the back is for widows, waitresses, and anyone who doesn't want to share their status.